What's the meaning of compassionate? Compassionate. Compassionate.
Compassionate. Compassionate. Compassionate refers to showing or feeling empathy, sympathy, and concern for others who are suffering or in distress. It involves recognizing and understanding another person's pain or difficulty and taking action to alleviate it. A compassionate person is someone who is kind, caring, and understanding towards others, even in difficult situations. They are able to put themselves in another person's shoes and respond with kindness and assistance. Compassion can create a sense of connection and community, promote healing and well-being, and ultimately lead to a more peaceful and harmonious society.